Okay, now we're going to take a look at number 9. And for number 9, you'll notice that it does have cosecant in there, which is going to be a little bit different. We're not going to really deal with cosecant as is. We will be altering the problem a little bit so it doesn't look like cosecant anymore when the time comes. First thing though, you do need to go ahead and solve for cosecant. And that should not be a struggle for anybody because you've done that since algebra 1 or earlier. Add 2 divided by the square root of 3. Okay, now that we have that, I don't like cosecant. Cosecant is the same as the reciprocal of sine though, so I'm going to use that to make this a little more simple for me. Sine is radical 3 over 2. That step is not absolutely necessary, but I like to look at sine as y over r. It bothers me when I have a square root on the bottom in the first place, so we've got y over r here. So y value, radius, that should start to look pretty familiar by now. Radius means circle. And there you have it. Centered at the origin, radius of 2. Every point in the circle is 2 units from the origin. Y value square root of 3, it's about 1.7. So I'm going to go up because the y is positive, up 1.7, and over to the circle here, over to the circle here. Much like the last problem, this is sine, so they're not going to be connected very much except for right at the, well, that didn't work. Get rid of that in a second. Ignore that line. We like that one. You can see these two right triangles, and I will get rid of that little extra line up there because it's not in the right spot anyway. There we go. Now we can go ahead and label a few things. We drew that to be the square root of 3, so that should be no surprise when it's on there. We drew that to be 2. The entire circle was 2. This is going to be 1 and negative 1. Across from that square root of 3 will be a pi over 3. Like that. And there's the two angles we need to find. The first one, there's not really any mystery to. It's just pi over 3 because it's in the first quadrant, so x equals pi over 3. Secondly, we need to go all the way to here. That's in the second quadrant. It's a little bit less than half a circle for that reason, so our answer is going to be pi, an entire half a circle, minus pi over 3, which will break down to 2 pi over 3. There's our two answers.